When it comes to talking about Aries strengths, we're talking about courage, determination, self-confidence, enthusiasm. However, when we're talking about weaknesses, we're talking about impatience, their silly arguments, the allowing fear to limit their choices, and they could be very moody. Aries would always make others feel their vibes no matter what, their cheerful vibes. Some of them can be shy, but that's not going to stop them to let people see their aura. Most hide their feelings. They prefer to hide it from the public. They don't want their sad ass story life, but they know that's part of living and that's part of life. They tend to be very direct and they don't beat around the bush type shit. However, this can be a problem for some. Though they have a short temper, don't even sweat it. Just ignore their ass. They have a strong tendency to go for what they want. They won't have it any other way. They can be selfish as hell and seek out attention because that's just who they are. Aside from that, they have a lot of positive energy. It's important to keep that energy up as much as possible because you do not know who may need it the most. I hope that you guys enjoy this quick bada bing bada boom toot boom boom type style of content. If so, I have the other zodiac signs in the exact same format, so do check it out. If you want to see something that's a little bit more in depth, I have a whole playlist describing each of the zodiac signs. Check that out too if you want. But until next time, matane.